How to turn off show notifications on your phone on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off show notifications on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook Messenger and now click on your profile. Scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. And click on the third option again, which is customize notifications, and you have the first option. Turn off this option, which is show notifications, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.